Morning, everyone. Yep, not sleeping in my truck. Where's the steering wheel? For the last 9 months, I've been sleeping in my truck. It's not bad. I prefer it a little bit. Oh my God, what am I gonna say? I just don't know what to say. So there was a windstorm that kept waking me up all night and kept on shaking my truck about. Sometimes the cars wake me up at night. I can't sleep by a busy street because the cars whiz by and not everyone obeys the speed limit. Because, people love driving fast. I like driving fast sometimes, too. Anyways, I wake up, I brush my teeth, go take a shower at the gym. I got a gym membership. At the gym now, you can see it's still morning outside. I'm going to do a little bit of a morning workout. Let's see what happens when I get there. Yeah, so I woke up, I had to use the bathroom. Normally don't do a morning workout, but I should probably do it more often. So let's get this mat on the floor. Let's see what happens. All right, it's my quick workout. 20 burpees, followed by 40 mountain climbers. Let's do a quick bit of stretches. So yeah, it's still pretty windy out here. I did my morning workout, some light stretches. I'm just gonna go sit back in my truck now and probably have a little bit of breakfast, because I like to do my first workout before breakfast. Okay, eat some breakfast, probably. Yeah, eat some breakfast. A special friend packed this for my lunch. Oh no, is it dripping? Fuck. I don't want to dirty the shirt yet. Well, then I'll read some of my book. Probably take a little nap. When I wake up, I do my afternoon workout. I just don't have any work on Sunday. I'm off on Sunday. Shout out. Hey, how does my outfit look? Hello, ladies. What do you think? Post a comment below. So, yeah. When I wake up from a little nap, go for a little run, and I'll come out, possibly take a shower, maybe some light lifting, the Stairmaster. Hello, ladies. All right, shave up a little bit. You see this scruff? Look. Does it sound like sandpaper? It really is a windstorm today. Where's that tall leaning tree? Way off in the distance. Now look, that pole's straight up and down. That tree ain't. Oh, yep, that shows the wind good. That's just dust kicking up. Well, there's a fire up north, so that might be haze from the fire. Oh, yep, there's a fallen branch. The debris is flying almost as fast as the cars. Jesus, that's down low and it's violent. Oh, the wind is shaking my car. At first, this video was supposed to be about me living in my truck. Jeez. Oh, man. I missed the best good shots. I need to get a GoPro and just run it all day and just pick out the best scenes. That's what I need to do. Oh my God. Trees in the park. Trees in the park. Jesus. Wow, the leaves are like rushing at me. It's moving my car. Wow. What in the hell? Oh my gosh. Alright folks, some good footage here. Maybe I'll post it on the interweb somewhere, perhaps on YouTube. Oh my God. Now, these things are coming at me fast. I really couldn't tell until now. Let's open up this window. Jesus. It's pretty violent. It's pretty violent out there. Feel how it shakes my truck. Well, all the dirt's gonna be swept off that field pretty soon. All right. That's enough with the windstorm unless I come up with something really crazy. I mean, there's a lot of dirt being blown off that field right now. That baseball field's about to have no... I don't know, what do you call the dirt that's in the middle of a baseball field? Wow, hold on. Crazy. I knew I was going to be catching some good wind this morning when I woke up before I even turned on this camera. I can't say this video wasn't going to include some wind in it. You should have seen the... Oh, I wish I was recording that. That branch literally just broke. Wow. Jesus. I keep missing the thick dirt dust that gets blown off that field. But actually, there it goes right there. See, because before you could see it. Oh, this wind is kicking. Okay. Anyways, to get to some reading. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. But, yeah, I'm a quarter of the way through this book. Yeah, I'm not a good reader. This is all in attempts to improve my reading. And it has been improving. Just because I never did my summer readings in high school. Kids, do your summer reading in high school. Ooh. Wow. Wow, this is some good footage right here. Jesus. Look, the field's running out of dirt already, and because see, the wind's blowing just as hard and it's not coming out anymore. Oh, actually, it might be. Oh yeah, it is. Go, Gusty, blow them out. Go, Gusty, go, go. I wonder if there's any baseball games that are going to be canceled today. Oh, I see, it's just blowing leaner. Oh, I see, the wind's just blowing too fast for it to create a cloud. It's just instantly blowing that direction. Was that branch that fell earlier? Wow. Jesus, I can see the little debris going by way fast. I'm on my way, to be. Alright. I'm on my way. From misery to happiness to be. Yeah. Alright, I'm headed to the bathroom in this windstorm at the park to go wash my friend's Tupperware container. Oh my God. The wind is coming to blow me over. Oh my God, I'm walking into the dust storm right now. It's hitting my face, it hurts. I'll put my hood on. Keeps trying to blow my hood off. I have the strings for my hood in my truck somewhere. I need to fix it. It came out in the wash. I had to wash it clean. Shit. Oh my God. I'm running to the bathroom. Fuck this. Alright, I made it here. Boy, that was an experience. I could certainly hear the wind outside. It's kind of hard to wash using these little sinks, but that's what I'm going to do. I definitely can't be giving my friend back her old dirty container. Actually, I'll record me washing this. Rinsing out the main bulk of the dirty stuff. Then I'm gonna put in the detergent. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look at my chest, ladies. Oh yeah. That's what I go to the gym for. To look like Popeye the Sailor Man. Toot toot. Ladies. This is Donald J. Trump here, and we have come to the conclusion that climate change is not real. We have been having windstorms like this since the beginning of time. All right. I'm waking up from my nap. I was gonna go straight on my jog after my nap, but no, I think I gotta use the bathroom, so I'm gonna go try and do that. But then it's jog time. We can't forget to brush our teeth at the public park. Yes, it is still windy as hell out here. It was even windier than I showed you guys, like when I was trying to nap and everything. All right, so I'm heading on my jog now. I start out with like a 5 to 10 minute walk, and then I have a timer set on my watch on my phone for 17 minutes. I go 17 minutes one direction, and when it beeps, I set 17 minutes on the way back, so that way I get like a, you know, at the minimum 34 minutes in case I lag before starting. But usually I start right on, so you know it's always 34 minutes of jogging each way. But anyways, I can't just lay down in my truck all day. I gotta get active, so that way I can be healthy for work tomorrow. All right, I started jogging. So while I was walking, I set my timer. And then once I was ready to walk, I pressed the go button on the timer. I got 17 minutes one way, 17 minutes back. Yep, it's still windy as hell here. Yep, that was the halfway timer. Headed back. Ladies, I'm in shape. All right, I'm going back this way. It is hot as hell now, though it's still windy as hell. That's why I kept the sweatshirt on, because of the wind chill. Nice rural area out here. The dogs, would you listen to that? Ow! Ow! They understand what I mean. All right, when I do these jogs, I don't just jog. As you can see, I'm going uphill. I'm about to go uphill. Anyways, here it goes. Sprint! Catch that rabbit! Catch that rabbit! Catch that rabbit! I almost caught the rabbit. All right, now that I finished all that, well, actually I went to the ATM to you know, transfer money over to my other ATM, you know, for money that's gonna come, whatever. Long story short, I'm going to where my friend works at a restaurant. I'm gonna go see if I could eat. She said it's super packed. I think maybe the wind blew them in. We'll see right now when I get there. Went to my friend's restaurant. It was definitely way more than packed. The wind definitely blew them all in. Oh my God, I need to show you guys this thing right here. Whoa, I can't zoom in on this one. There it is. There she blows. Me and my friend always come to Walmart too. Wow, I just noticed that I had a whole bunch of sweat caked to my to a little mustache here from when I was running, and I never noticed. Maybe I should get a bigger rear view mirror. Oh yes, eating in and out, but it was so busy that I had to come eat outside. Oh yes, time to go to the park and either read from my book first and then nap, or if I'm not too tired, I'll read from my book first. Otherwise, I'll just nap. All kinds of tree branches right now. There was a few back there, more here, and there's going to be a lot more on the way. There was even some this morning. The longer the day goes on, because it's been really windy, the more tree branches I'm going to see, broken tree branches laying on the ground. All right, so I'm here at the park. I'm about to take my nap, and look what do I see. A little chow, just like the one I used to have. Come here, chow. Turn your head. Oh, well, he's going over there now. Bye, chow chow. Oh, there he goes. Here come the shoes off. You know, I can't go to sleep with my shoes on. Of course, I'm not going to sleep yet. I'm going to try to read a little section from my book over here. See what that book teaches me. You know, it's really just to get my reading better, but I'm sure it'll teach me something. It has been teaching me something already. It's been teaching me to keep 1/10 of all that I earn in the bank in a savings account. Okay, I just finished reading what I wanted to read from the book. Time to lay down. Take my pillow here. My trusty pillow always stays in the truck because I live in the truck. And I'm gonna clear the seat. That's right. Tuck these belts under like this, and that one's already tucked. And now I'll just lay across here Oh, there's a sexy mama. Hey. All right. And you'll lay my head down like this. Good night, everybody. See you when I awake. See you when I am rousted from my sleep. I've been trying to get up for the past 30 minutes or maybe an hour. I think I woke up once and I went back to sleep. It's been a couple hours since my last check-in on the video. I think I'm actually going to get up and go shower now. So I'm finally getting up. I think I'm going to have a Lunchables. Ended up making it to the gym, but I haven't showered yet. What I did was I worked out for about an hour. So now, time to shower. All right, that was a good shower. I just showered over there at Planet Fitness. Now I'm on the way to pick up Gen. So, see you soon, babe. I've been recording a YouTube video all day of me living in my truck.
Get out of the way. Like, you didn't ask me if I want to, like...
All right, so I just dropped off Gen. It's, you know, there's a fire in the north, so I want to try to drive to work before the morning, before I have to wake up. Well, anyway, it's not going to be hard because I already live in my truck. So what I'm going to do is drive to work because it's kind of, you know, over there in that area. I'm going to drive to that area. I'm going to find a quiet place to sleep and set my alarm close to 15 minutes before work starts and just get dressed over there and go to work. So that's my plan. See you guys in about an hour. That's how long it's going to take me to get over there. All right, you guys, I made it to work. I was planning just to pass out, but there's a loud machine making a disturbing noise over there, so I'm going to have to find another park. I'm dead tired. I'm only going to get to sleep 4 hours. I have to go to work all day in the morning. You can hear it in my voice. Anyways, I'm going to go pick the other spot I saw on my Google Maps, and I'm going to try to park there and hope it's good and I could get some restful sleep so I could look good for the boss tomorrow. Hopefully I don't get tired for coming in tired every day. Fired, I mean, you know. Okay, talk to you guys in a second. I just figured it out. It's the facility's power generator. It's the most biggest power generator I've ever seen. I don't know. Hold on, let me see if I could get view of it. Well, it's behind those doors there. Boy, see right there the door? Anyways, I'm going someplace else because the sound carries for quite a way. I'm at least 3/4 mile away from it and I can still hear it with this window open, of course. But you know, this side of the, now this was old, this used to be Air Force hangars, so of course they have their whatchamacallit set up. You know, the Air Force needs their power, of course. So, well, I'm still in the same parking lot. There's just like 10 hangars in this establishment. So, as long as I don't run into anything because it's dark, and plus, not to mention I have my light on and all that. Well, okay. As soon as I find my exact parking spot, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and lay here because it's not as loud as it was over there, though I still hear it. Okay, everybody. That's it for, well, I'll probably say hello in the morning too, but basically that's what it is to live in the truck. Sleep in the truck, do everything. I go out with Gen, but when you really think about it, what girl wants to be with like a homeless dude? You know what I'm saying? Who turned the lights out? There we go. It's my pillow. I'm in the front seat. Luckily I'm not that tall, so I can make do with living in my truck just fine and sleep comfortably and everything. You know, sometimes I think that I wish I was taller because I'm like 5'6", but at the same time, if I was any taller, I really wouldn't be comfortable in this truck. So, thanks everybody. YouTube, hey, please subscribe. I need subscribers here. I might check in the morning. I might not.